Hi everyone, welcome to a video where today I'm joined with, what's your name?
Me, Sophie.
Sophie. How old are you?
3.
3. No, you're 3, remember?
You're not 32 just yet.
Right, so today we're doing a video on reviewing some
We're doing an anime competition.
we're doing a review on some toys, aren't we, Soph?
Yeah.
Yeah, so first one we've got my toy helicopter.
That's currently on charge.
It is called Power XR2 Silverlit SL Force. That's what it's called, isn't it, Soph? Is it called Skystorm?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Ho.
Merry Christmas.
But-
Merry Christmas.
Who says that?
Mommy.
No, Mummy doesn't say that.
Daddy said.
And Santa, you ready? Holding these. Should we turn it on?
Zoom.
Oh, it's not even switched on. That was a bit embarrassing. Right, hold it on. Hold it, Soph. Be careful.
Ah!
So that's one toy. Wait, so it's come with this controller. So this here makes it go up.
And nearly broke
You
again.
go get it for me. And then we've got this.
You dare pull the
Okay,
thing.
okay. And then you've got this one that's
You
turned.
dare pull.
Hello.
Turns it round.
Welcome to my
You
video.
dare pull it up now. Don't pull it up, Sam.
Welcome my video. I love
And you've
my lollipop.
got a lollipop.
Don't pull it up.
Okay.
Die!
That's good. That's
Mine needs 6
what,
batteries.
So, what do you want to rate this? 1?
I did it.
What should we rate it? What should we rate it, so? So should we give it a 9? Yeah. You're gonna get handy. You're gonna get your handy. You're gonna get your handy. Right, so let's turn this one off now. Put it on charge.
Yeah.
How do you put it on charge? Oh, it's already on the charge thing. So, Sophie, what should we do? What toy should we do now? Should we do my Bluetooth speaker? Well, that's not a toy. Should we do that though? Shall we look what's under my desk? Should we lift my desk up and see what's in here?
Animation kit.
Oh yeah. Should we do this? The Lego book.
The Lego animation book.
So, this is a Lego animation book. As you know, I do animations on this channel. It's a toy book. You'll see that we've done the first one. So it comes with loads of tips on how to make them, doesn't it, Soph?
Hello, welcome back to the Becky Show.
I'm a Warmacon. Snap.
No.
Yo, who's that? Is that Greg Paul? No. It actually looks like you. It actually looks like you. Look there, that man walking looks like Greg Paul.
Hello, Greg Paul. Right, so Sophie. So what should we do a toy on now? So it has like different chapters. This one's called the basics. So yeah, we should lift it up again. What's in the desk? What should we do now? Okay, so I have an animation studio and this is the handbook. I'm actually the Scary, it's got a monster on, is that why? Yeah.
My monster is scary.
Okay. So in another video I'll show you an actual kit, but this is just a handbook. See, it just comes with like it shows you props. What else?
And gives you props.
Big props.
Oh yeah.
Stop messing, Oscar. It tells you about speed, cutting room. Oh, this is like the editing section. So yeah, should we put this back in the desk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lift it up. What should we do now? No, not my planning. Bad. Should we find one more thing?
Yeah.
I know what we can go get. Get something from mine. Should we get a book again?
A PSP.
No, the PXP. So in case you don't know, I have
in the box.
a PS. Oh dear. It's got to be there somewhere. What?
Where's your bag?
What? There? Oh, it'll be there. So basically, oh, what are you doing? We have a PSP.
Hello, look at my Maggie show.
Got it for you.
She's funny.
So this is a PXP, which comes with a cartridge. It comes with actual games that are already built in. It's called a Slim Station, in other words.
And then this is
Luke.
a PSP.
Which is mine also, which is platinum, which is different. When you want to go on a game, you open the back like that, and it comes with like cartridges that look like this.
You're
So this
calling
is
me.
Star Wars Battlefront 2. So you put those in. So I'll show you the PXP first. So here it is. So you have a list of loads of different games. So let's go on, Oscar should go on Streets of Rage. So then you press
The biggest one of all.
and then
PS Vita.
and then there's a PS Vita as well. So if you look, it comes on. Oh,
We have all 3 P.
so this is called
we have
Street Rage. So if I show it, Streets of Rage 3.
Said.
So then Oscar, stop moving my chair. Oscar, you're not a help at all. So I think Sophie's left the video. Are you gonna go now, Soph? Okay. So we've lost one person, but that doesn't matter. So we've
I'll
got
join.
my nose is dead itchy around this area here.
Scratch it then.
This light's making my face look all white.
Because you are white. That's why.
So if I go on, we need to go on one player, I think. That would make sense. So then we can select a character. So let's be. We've got Axel, Blaze, Skate, and Zan, who's a normal man. I think we should be Skate because he's a teenager and he looks beast. So press start. So it's loading. Oh, playing the game. Let's play the game. So what's happening? So, right, Luke. Oh no, what's happened?
I think it died.
It's broken. Yeah, that's died. So yeah, it's built-in games that you can